Hi, my YouTube family. Today I'm here with my PM skincare routine or my night skincare routine. I'm starting off with a brightening and exfoliating face mask. I'm going to apply that all over my face, not forget my neck area at all. Nicely, you can apply this with a finger or a brush and leave this on for 10 minutes until it dries. Wash your face and wipe it down. Now you can take a freshener or a toner. Now I'm going to take some hyaluronic acid. You can choose your serum according to your skin type. I'm going to dab it all over my face, not forgetting my neck area. Next, I'm going to take some salicylic acid and apply it only on targeted areas since I have been getting some acne on and off. And then an under eye serum, a moisturizer, again according to my skin type. Nicely apply it all over my face. Don't forget my neck area. Next, I'm gonna take a lip balm or a lip mask according to how dry my lips are. Apply that all over my lips nicely. I'm gonna take some lotion and apply that over my arms and fingers. Thank you for watching. We'll come back with a new video soon.